Students, in today's class we will be learning the addition of decimal numbers. So I will be taking some of the examples and explaining you the concept. So let's start. Okay, so before starting you have to keep only one thing in mind. Suppose if I take any random decimal numbers 43.75 added to 135.4. So suppose I have taken any random decimal numbers and I have to add both of them. So only one thing you have to keep in mind, that you have, while adding or before adding, you have to make both the decimal numbers or whatever decimal numbers are given to you in the question, you have to make them like always. Then only it will become very easy for you to add them. So suppose if I have to add them, I am writing the first number, which is 43.75 plus 135.4. So decimal will come before decimal, and the number which is after the decimal will come at that place only, and the numbers which are before decimals, you have to write it in this way. So now you can see that this place is empty, so you can write 0 over here, and here also to fill this place we are writing 0, because 0 plus any number will give me that same number only. So that is why it doesn't matter. Whenever you are having empty places, then you can write 0 in place of them. Now simply we have to add them. 5 plus 0 will give me 5, 7 plus 4 will give me 11. So 1 I will write down here and 1 will be carried down. Decimal will come in the same place. After that 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9 will be carried down or written. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 0 plus 1 is 1. So the final answer is 179.15. I hope it was clear to you. It was very easy. So again we will be taking 3 examples in this session. So now I am starting with the second example. So again I will take any random example. So suppose if I take a bigger number this time, suppose 343 plus, okay, this time I am taking one normal number and one decimal number. 343 plus 475.2. So now in this case, in order to get your confusion out, what you can do is you can write the decimal number first, which is 475.2, and the number which is not having any decimal, what you can do is you have to always write it before the decimal place, and then after adding the decimal you have to write 0 wherever the place is empty. I hope it is clear till now. Now we have to add it in the same way. 2 plus 0 will give me 2. Decimal will come below the decimal. 5 plus 3 will be 8. 7 plus 4 is 11. And 1 got carried down. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 3 is 8. So the final answer is 818.2. So I am starting the third example now. So this time I am taking more bigger numbers. 1500.14 added to 145.256. So now again using the same trick, I will write the first number 1500.14 and added to, decimal will come below the decimal, and the numbers to the right hand side of the decimal will come in the same order, and numbers to the left hand side of the decimal will come in the same order. 4, 1. And whatever places are empty, you have to write 0 in place of them. Now you have to add it simply. So 0 plus 6 will give you 6, 4 plus 5 will give you 9, 1 plus 2 will give you 3, and decimal will come below the decimal. Now 0 plus 5 will be 5, 0 plus 4 will be 4, 5 plus 1 will be 6, and 1 plus 0 will be 1. So the final answer is 1645.396. I hope it is clear till now. Okay, let me take one easy example also, like by taking smaller numbers. Suppose if I take 15.25 added to 10.2. So again it's a very easy thing. We have to write the first number as it is, then decimal will come below the decimal, the number to the right hand side will come to the right, and the number to the left hand side will come to the left, and whatever places are empty you have to write 0 in place of them, and now you have to add it. So 5 plus 0 will be 5, 2 plus 2 will be 4, decimal will come below the decimal, 5 plus 0 will be 5, and 1 plus 1 will be 2. So the final answer is 25.45. I hope it is totally clear. If any doubt comes, then you can ask me below in the comment section. I hope everything is totally clear, and if you want me to bring such kind of easy tricks and videos for you, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.